Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with y'all one more blueberry recipe in honor of National Blueberry Month. It is so hot outside I can go for a cold drink. We're going to make blueberry sweet iced tea, and y'all know how much I love tea. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, bursting with blueberry flavor, and it will quench up your thirst. Perfect on a hot summer day, and it will keep you cool. I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more tea recipes, check out my tea recipes playlist and my previous video, lemon blueberry scones. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your pitcher, get your blueberries, and get your tea brewing sugar, because we're about to make some blueberry sweet tea magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is brew our tea. In my tea kettle, we're going to pour in 2 cups of water. Going to close it and let it boil on the stove, and it'll boil when it whistles. And over here in my measuring cup, I have my tea bags. I'm using 8 small black tea bags, or you can use 4 large family size black tea bags. And our water is boiled, so we're going to pour that in. And to help with the bitterness of the tea, we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So now we are going to let the tea steep for 10 minutes. And while the tea is steeping, let's make our blueberry syrup. In my large pot, my fire is on high heat. We're going to add in 2 cups of fresh blueberries that I rinsed. Into our blueberries, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. And my lemon is small, so I'm going to use all of it. If you have a big one, just use half. Next, we're going to add in 2 cups of water and 1 cup of white sugar. Give it a quick stir until it's well combined. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright my friends, the blueberries has came to a boil. So now I'm going to cut the fire down to medium low, and we're going to let it cook uncovered for 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's check on our tea. Our tea is nice and steep, and off camera I removed the tea bags. We are going to set it aside. Let's check on our blueberry syrup. Alright my friends, our blueberry syrup is nice and simmered. So now I cut my fire off. It's done. There's one more thing we got to add to it. This is optional. I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon, which is a cupful of pure blueberry extract. Give it an extra blueberry flavor. Give it a stir. So now we are ready to build the tea. Let's strain our blueberry syrup. I have my pitcher and mesh strainer here. We're going to strain the blueberry syrup right in there to get rid of the excess pulp. Going to stir it to get the rest of the syrup like so. Excellent. So now we're going to pour in our tea. Next is our water. Going to pour in 6 cups of cold water. And 1 cup of white sugar. After all, it is sweet tea. Give it a stir until it's well blended. So now I'm going to give it a quick taste to see if it's sweet enough for me. Perfect. And that's it my friends. Our tea is ready to serve. So I'm about to get my mason jars and we'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, I have my mason jars here. I fill them up with ice. You can also place the tea in the refrigerator and you can serve it cold without adding ice. Going to pour some tea. To garnish them, I'm going to add in some blueberries, a sprig of fresh mint, and 2 straws. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Blueberry sweet iced tea. Doesn't that look good? A Southern girl's favorite drink. Love me some sweet tea. Now it is time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Cheers. Mmm. Loaded with pure blueberry goodness. Refreshing, crisp. The flavors are perfectly layered. This is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Blueberry sweet tea-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.